Hey friends, do you wish to increase your Wi-Fi speed by at least 3 times? If yes, then watch this video. I'll show it with an example. I'll show it on my system. So I am here at fast.com and I will click on this refresh button here. It is an excellent speed test website. What is the internet speed? Around 65 Mbps. Now see the magic. I am connected to the 2.4G network, which is usually the default network, and most routers have two networks. One is the 2.4G one and one is the 5G one. So shift to the 5G one and click on connect. And if it asks for the password, then you can enter the password and then check the difference in the speed. Just check the difference in the speed. It goes up to 140, 160, 180, 190. Will it cross 200? Anyway, 190 is good enough. The next solution is to use Google's DNS. So press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. This will open the network connections window. Right click on the active network connection. See, a few would have crosses here and one would have this green colored mark, and this is usually the Wi-Fi one if you're using a Wi-Fi. Then right click on it and select properties. Double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Check this radio button and use the following DNS server address. Type 8.8.8.8 and in the alternate one type 8.8.4.4. We are basically using Google's IP address, Google's DNS address. So click on OK and then on OK once again and then close it. Now the next method is to disable a few startup apps, especially those which suck up the network in the background. So search for Task Manager and open the Task Manager window. Now expand it and go to this tab here, the fourth one from the top, which reads Startup Apps. Click on the status button such that the enabled ones are showing at the top. Now on the list on the left hand side, you will notice that there are a lot of apps which are going to launch at startup. A few of them might be necessary for you, but the ones which are not, right click on them and disable them because they use a lot of network resources. So if I do not need them, I will disable them. Now, does it immediately increase the speed of your system? No. You will have to right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and restart your computer. And when you restart your computer, the Wi-Fi speed will show somewhat improvement if any of these applications were consuming network bandwidth. The fourth method is quite a generic one. You need to move your computer closer to the router if possible, and if it is not possible, then at least make sure that your computer and your router are not behind different walls. If it is, try to push it to a central location or use a Wi-Fi extender because walls really kill the internet bandwidth. The fifth method is to update network drivers. So search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager window. Expand the list of network adapters and you'll find one named MediaTek Wi-Fi something something. It could be 6, it could be 4. Click on Update Drivers and click on Search automatically for drivers. The next solution is to flush the DNS. So all you need to do is search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and open the command prompt window. Type the command ipconfig space / flush DNS and hit enter, and it says successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. It will be very helpful. Another solution that you can try is to remove some crap from your computer, and to do that, search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Select your system drive, usually it's the C drive, and check all of these boxes, each and every one of these. Then click on OK and then click on delete files. It will delete all the unnecessary crappy files. The last solution is a network reset. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select advanced network settings and then select network reset. Click on reset now and then click on yes here. Okay, so now that we have tried all the solutions, let us check the network speed. Maybe it would be something around 190 Mbps. Okay, it has crossed 200. Isn't this amazing? It went up to 210. If this video was helpful, then please subscribe to the channel. We really need subscribers. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.